So GM, we have here 850, 10/8/2025. It's the support ticket. So we log into Ace. Let's try. Alright. So you can see. Happen GM, why you ban me? So here is the other device that we are using. We're at SP at Atos Beach. So now we don't have the other gear because we got false ban, I think. So please consider us GM.